Hi everyone, welcome to Masterchefmom. Today for dinner I am making healthy, tasty, delicious Oats Adai. Vango, I'll show you how. So first step, we are going to wash and soak all the dals. So for this I am going to take 1 ladle of the tuvar dal, 1 ladle of moong dal. You can either take yellow moong or green moong. Next we are taking 1 ladle of chana dal and we are taking 1 ladle of urad dal. Okay, now we are going to wash the dal twice and I am going to soak it for 3 hours. To the dal I am adding dry red chilli. You add according to your taste. I am adding around 3 dry chillies and 1 half inch ginger. So we are going to soak this for 3 hours. So I have ground it thick like this and also coarsely. So to this dal batter, now I am going to add oats. Okay, 4 karandi oats poda poren. 4 ladles of oats. Okay, இப்போ நான் அத தண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணி mix பண்ண போறேன் கொஞ்சமா தண்ணி. I'm going to add little water. Make it into a thick batter. This oats adai does not require any fermentation. நீங்க வந்து அரைச்சிட்டு உடனே வாக்கலாம். After grinding immediately you can mix. Maybe you can rest for around 10 minutes and then immediately make your adai. So in this you can add onion if you want, green chillies and then ginger. You can add all those. I am going to add coconut, finely chopped coconut and curry leaves for flavor. If you like, you can even add coriander leaves or mint leaves. I am just going to keep it simple. I am going to add curry leaves. Adai is different from dosai. Adai is little more thicker. It has more dals. I'll show you how. To this I am going to add a pinch of asafoetida and salt. Our adai batter is now ready. Now let's make the adai. Drizzle oil or ghee. Let the adai, entire adai cook like that and then we will flip the adai. So each adai takes at least 3 to 4 minutes for us to cook. So let's cover and continue to cook. You can make adai with ghee, it will taste really yummy. I am using oil today, but do try it with ghee. Oats adai is now ready. See how crisp and tasty it is. You can serve it with any chutney of your choice or you can serve it with butter and jaggery. Tastes really yummy. Do try. Raghu, oats adai சாப்பிட்டு எப்படி இருக்கு சொல்ல.
Looks very nice. Looks like regular adai only. Let me taste. But I'll show them how to eat this adai.
Correct.
First of all, adai is something that needs to be enjoyed properly, which means you need 2 things. You first need butter. Okay, nicely spread butter and then jaggery or honey. You know, you take jaggery or honey generously and come out very well, Uma. Just tastes like regular adai only. It's a great option. Huh?
So you saw how easy it was to make the oats adai and it's also very wholesome. Everyone is going to love it from kids to elders in your family. Try it out and you're sure to receive loads of compliments. I'm waiting to hear all your feedback. So I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking!